Hello, my dear students. This is the eighth question from the chemical coordination integration lesson. That means endocrine system. Okay, 4 marks question. This one. Describe the male and female sex hormones and their actions. Okay, male sex hormones, androgens, are mainly produced by the Leydig cells of the testis. Okay, or interstitial cells of Leydig. Chief androgen is testosterone. You learned this one in 2 marks as well. This is the eighth 2 marks. Androgens are mainly produced by Leydig cells of testis. Chief androgen is testosterone. Okay, functions. The male sex hormones are required for the development, maturation, and functioning of the male accessory sex organs such as epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and urethra. Male sex hormones like testosterone are required for the development, maturation, and functioning of male accessory sex organs. Okay, it is produced by male primary sex organs, and these are the accessory sex organs. For the development and maturation and functioning of these male accessory sex organs, the hormone produced by the primary sex organs called testis in male is required. Okay, these hormones control muscular growth, growth of facial and axillary hair, aggressiveness, low pitch voice, masculine voice, etc. Okay, these hormones control muscular growth. Okay, generally when we compare okay muscles in okay males and females, males are more muscular because of testosterone hormone. These hormones control muscular growth. And if you see some players in who are playing women players who are playing in WWF, their bodies are so muscular because they take synthetic testosterone drugs, steroids they take. These hormones control muscular growth, growth of facial hair, beard, mustache, and axillary hair, hair in the armpits, and aggressiveness and low pitch voice, masculine voice, etc. because of these hormones. Androgens stimulate the process of spermatogenesis, formation of sperms. 3 points up to now. Androgens affect the CNS, central nervous system, controlling the male sexual behavior. That is called okay, libido or sex drive. Okay, sexual urge. Okay, these all because of okay, androgens which affect our brain, and therefore sexual desires, sexual drive, sexual urge, libido. Okay, they develop in our brain. Also have effect on protein. Protein and carbohydrate anabolism, that means synthesis of proteins and carbohydrates. Androgens are also called anabolic steroids because they are involved in anabolism of proteins and anabolism of carbohydrates. Now come to female sex hormones. Estrogen and progesterone are the female sex hormones. Estrogen synthesized in the ovarian follicles and also by corpus luteum. It is synthesized in the ovarian follicles and in the corpus luteum. Functions. Development and maintenance of female reproductive organs. Development and maintenance of female reproductive organs. Maintenance of menstrual cycle. Development of secondary sexual characters of females like high pitch voice, mammary gland development. Okay, development and maintenance of female reproductive organs, maintenance of menstrual cycle, development of secondary sexual characters of female like high pitch voice, mammary gland development. What are the functions of progesterone? Progesterone synthesized and secreted from the corpus luteum and also by the placenta. Okay, functions. Progesterone has an important role in preparing the uterus for the implantation of the blastocyst in the wall of the uterus. You learn more about this one in the next lesson, coming lesson, human reproduction. It inhibits contraction of uterus. It inhibits contraction of uterus. and thus it supports the pregnancy. It is a pregnancy hormone, very important hormone. It is pregnancy hormone. In case of deficiency of this hormone, pregnancy fails to maintain, abortions would occur in the absence of progesterone. It stimulates the formation of alveoli, sac-like structures which store milk in the mammary glands and secretion of milk. It stimulates the formation of alveoli, sac-like structures which store milk in the mammary glands and secretion of milk. Okay, these are the functions of progesterone.